everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am again. I know you are happy and angry with me, but it's okay because I want to share this to all my followers, subscribers, and viewers. So guys, this Muhammad Prince Hamdan Fasa Facebook profile. Before I continue, I want to show you his profile in Facebook. Okay, so let's travel. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is the profile account of Muhammad Prince Hamdan Fasa. So okay, so no any photos here, only this one. So only this one. He used the children's. This photo is not now. This photo is old. I already see this all over social media for 1 year and almost 5 months. 1 year and 5 months to know the Prince Hamdan Fasa all over social media, because before I didn't know him that he's the Prince of Dubai. First I meet him, first I see him in the dating site, to be honest, to be true. And I thought he's a football player because he wear the football player t-shirts. So I ignoring him because I know he is young. Okay, so he asked me about my WhatsApp number, so I gave him because I want to know also about his phone number. So he used the country code +32. So I think this is not a scammer because the famous scammer is Nigeria. They are using +23. So okay, I am here in my Facebook page to know and to show the truth. I am not here to post false information for views. Okay, I have a feeling, and I feel for some of innocent women victims of scam under the name of Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai. But I know he is not the one used these thousands of accounts here in social media. Okay, so let's continue. This video is the second video of this account because I want to know what he want or what she want to me. So now I know. They asked me to buy the Royal Membership Card, VIP Royal Membership Card. So later, I want to show the another information who he's sending to me. So I want to know first about his about information. So take a look, guys. So this page is anonymous. Kumbaga in Philippines, this is kolorom. Okay? Kung Bisaya kang dako, kolorom ning accounta. Ang nilagay lang dito, this account is fake. Did you see? No any Facebook account. If have, maybe she or he hides. So I'm sure this is a female. The owner of this account is female because I have seen here is a female gender. So okay. So he following me yesterday. I don't know when she following me. I can see it there in my following, in my followers in my Facebook, here in my Facebook, but later I don't have enough time. And after that, I check my spam messages. So I said, oh Lord, I have another new message from His Highness. I said, so okay, let's play a game. So I am tell myself, let's play a game. So I check first. So I know that this is a female. So you know what is the number he used? We can see it here later. So let's go back to WhatsApp. No, not WhatsApp. To my messenger. So okay, so this is it. So I want to read. She or he think that I know him or we know each other. But I have talking friends Hamdan Fasa, not here in social media, here in Messenger. No. I have shown all of my conversation with him, but not in social media. I want in a private place or in the court. Who wants? I'm not scared. I am not here in my social media to posted false information. All of this is I received and I am done. Okay? So he said, how are you doing now, my love? Sabi ko, and then I said, oh, hi. How are you? So he or she replied, send me your WhatsApp number or click here and add me in WhatsApp. So, did you know what is this +47? Yes, this is London. This is Yuki. This number +44 is Yuki number. A lot of scammer in this area. Not only the person used the Prince Hamdan photo and information, but all the foreign also they take the photos in on social media and they used it. They pretend that person is him or she. Okay? So I don't I ask him, I tell him. I said, why you want me to add you in WhatsApp there? And then he replied, send me your WhatsApp number, let me add you. So this morning I replied, add for what matters. Just tell me here in Messenger, sir. So I am sorry, I like this one. Why you don't like here in Messenger? You have secret? So this is what I have write yesterday. So this morning 10:52 a.m. he replied. He or she replied, I'm sure this is a woman. I want to know if you want to apply for the VIP membership card for use for us to be together forever. Tarantado. Go to hell. So I reply. So this one is 11:25. So I reply. So she already online just now at 11:25 a.m. She's sending me this 10:52. So 25. So she's online. He's online when I replied. So never answer. She think no. She replied. So I said, are you sure? Did you know me before? So she replied, yes, my beautiful wife. I know that we know each other. Oh, tarantado ka ha? I am Sheikh Hamdan, hereditary Prince of Dubai, President of the Dubai Executive Council, Vice Governor of Dubai, and Minister of Finance of the United Arab Emirates. But I preferred to be called in full Faza. Means courageous. I am 41 years old and 1.60 tall. I am a Muslim by religion. Oh, you can think, but I preferred to be called full. Bakit kailangan pang sabihin na preferred? Long time ago this one. that his alias name is Fasa, called a brave, a helpful man. Okay? So I reply this one. I don't know what. I don't want to block him because I have a videos now. I have posted new videos from the start, and I have additional, and this one I have a copy, so that just in case if she or he see that my post, what is his decision. I don't want him now to block. So this is what I have right. Oh really? How many friends of Dubai in social media? Why you call me beautiful wife? Are you fine for that? Did you know that I have already royal card and certificate of marriage? And why you come and pretend? You are scammer, a hungry scammer, not the Prince Fasa of Dubai. You are only use the name, photo, and information of His Highness Crown Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai. Go to hell. I am not interested to be the wife of Prince Hamdan or you. You said you are Prince Hamdan Fasa, right? So I'm not interested to you to be my husband. Your profile, it's a woman. I already checked your profile yesterday. You are a female. Go to hell. Live together with Satans, okay? You and him, Satan, swim together in the boiled fire. So guys, this is what I have said to this pretend Fasa. This account is fake. So be careful. Don't be the trap of this, especially royal membership card. Indeed, me ended of this. I am here to share everyone because I am feel him. I am feel her, his heart feelings. Okay? Maybe God used me for the justice of all innocent woman victim of under the name of Prince Hamdan Fasa. Because to be honest, to be true, I didn't know about Prince Hamdan Fasa when I see him. When I see that first person I have chat, he sent me the IDs of the I think it's he. After the next day I searched. I surprised. I have seen a lot of names in social media. Really. So I just continue like this one, searching everything. So now, no one can put me in down because I know everything. I searched everything. Especially those women laughing at me. You are a Cebuano, you are Bisaya. Bisaya kang dako. Laughing at me, calling me small brain. I am not a small brain. I just try. What is the truth? Okay? Do you think makaluluoy kong dako? I am not, because God is with me. God is using me for the justice to all the innocent women victims under the name of the Crown Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai. I'm sure. I have seen the face of the Prince Hamdan Fasa. He's innocent. But people used him to ruin his life, to put his life in a fire. So, okay? So, have a nice day, guys. And only one thing I want. Be careful. Don't believe. Okay? Because I do everything to all women. And I am ready. If they ask me to have a case for me, file a case for me, I am ready because I have in my hand. So, okay? If you are the one, so, I challenge you. I am not scared of you. So, okay? So, good luck. Good luck to those person who fighting on me. I know You are a scammer. How many women, innocent women, you put in the cage of love? Right? So many women crying for this. So now it's end. So now what happened to Dubai? But it's okay. It's a warning of God. I have told the Prince Hamdan Faisal of Dubai that I have chatting. Please stop this all evil. If you love your country, if you love people, if you love women around you, if you really love them, please stop this evil who ruins your life. Because you are the most paid this sin they are doing to you. Because all the information they used to scam woman, innocent woman. Okay? So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I am here to share my experience and the experience of others. So it's up to you if you believe or not. So have a nice day and God bless. Bye-bye.